Welcome back, people. In the previous video, we already saw how to select an element and how to change its CSS properties. Next, we will see how to add event listener to our HTML element using jQuery. To know what is an event listener and what it does, check out our video about event listener in JavaScript. I have added a link to the video in the cards. So now we will add a event listener to the H1. So let's save this. So here we have an anonymous function, or we call it a callback function, that changes the CSS property color of H1 to red. This happens when you click on H1. So we saved it, go to the website, refresh, go back, yeah, refresh, and press on H1. You see the color changes to red. So in index.html, we have three buttons. Usually, if you want to add event listener to all three buttons, you have to do it manually or using loops. So let's look at an example for that. So here we have written a code that adds an event listener to all the buttons in the file. So we have three buttons. So we have a for loop that loops three times, and first it gets all the buttons, and we have an anonymous function or a callback function that changes the color of H1 to green whenever we click on any of the button. So this is how we add a event listener in JavaScript. So now let's see how to add event listener in jQuery. So this is the code to add event listener to all the three buttons in jQuery. Isn't that simpler? Let's clear this up, save the file, go to our code, refresh, and if you press on any of these buttons, the color changes. So that is it for this video. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.